2. The comfort and luxury provided by the machine has made people lazy. Her hard work and dedication has paid off. Going to a beach and making sand castles is my idea of perfect holiday. In the above example, the two nouns either convey the same meaning as in sentence 1 and 2 or express one single idea as in sentence 3. So what is sentence 1 and 2? Sentence 1 means the comfort and luxury provided by the machine has made people lazy. Her hard work and dedication has paid off. So here, what comfort and luxury, do you think they are one means they are conveying the same meaning? Anyone? Are you people listening? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So, comfort and luxury. What is the meaning of luxury? If you means suppose that you are feeling very hot.
मैम
हाँ, लग्जरी किसको कहेंगे?
मैम लग्जरी का हो जाएगा मैम सुख.
हाँ, मतलब सुख सुविधा, जिसको सुविधा बोलो तुम लोग. We can say that so from where the luxury comes, sorry, comfort comes. लग्जरी, अगर गर्मी लग रही है और गर्मी से अपने आप को बचाना है तो क्या होगा? Luxury means, and so we nowadays we purchase.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Luxury means the enjoyment of expensive and beautiful.
Yeah, the meaning of luxury is enjoyment of expensive and means comfortable things. So comfortable, beautiful things, you can say. So here, suppose that you are feeling hot, you switch on to AC. So this comfort provided by AC is what? Luxury. है ना? These are not basic requirements. ये basic requirements तो है ही नहीं. हार्ड वर्क एंड डेडिकेशन, बिना डेडिकेशन के हार्ड वर्क होता है क्या?
नो मैम,
इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. अगर हार्ड वर्क से ही मीन्स अगर डेडिकेशन नहीं है, वी कांट डू हार्ड वर्क. ओके, गोइंग टू बीच एंड मेकिंग सैंड कैसल, यहाँ ये दो डिफरेंट थिंग है. गोइंग टू बीच, हम लोग बीच पे क्यों जाते हैं? जस्ट टू एंजॉय, जस्ट टू हैव फन जाते हैं ना. एंड सैंड कैसल भी क्यों बनाते हैं? जस्ट फॉर हैव फन. सो दिस इज आइडिया ऑफ अ परफेक्ट हॉलिडे. तो यहाँ पे सेंटेंस 3, what does sentence 3 express? Single idea. Clear? Now worksheet number 2B.
Ma'am, what is single idea?
Perfect holiday. बीच पे जा करके सैंड कैसल. डू यू नो what is called sand castle? Have you people ever made a sand castle? Sand castle कभी बनाए हो? नहीं. घर में सैंड है, ये सबके घर में कभी ना कभी तो सैंड आती है, नहीं भी आती है तो लोग बाहर देखते ही हैं. तो बचपन में क्या करते थे हम लोग, अपने हथेली को, जैसे अपना हाथ है ऐसे करके इसके ऊपर पूरा सैंड फिल कर दिया, फिर हाथ हटा लिए तो वो एक होल बन जाता था, ठीक है। तो इसी तरीके से कुछ मतलब वो सैंड से कोई भी ये बना इमेज कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर बनाना, दैट इज नोन एज सैंड कैसल। सो दिस इज, तो ये क्या है, एंजॉयमेंट ही है ना, बच्चे एंजॉय ही करते हैं ना, अगर सैंड कैसल वो बनाते हैं तो दिस इज जस्ट फॉर एंजॉयमेंट। अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now worksheet number B, 2B, start reading. Be fast.
Ma'am, may I read?
Who is may I? Ayush?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. After Ayush, it is Kumar Anshu. After that, Ankit Raj. Kumar Anshu, start.
Ma'am, Ayush Ratan.
Oh, sorry, Ayush Ratan.
Pick the correct option in the following sentences. Simple living and high thinking dash Gandhiji's philosophy.
Was.
Yes. Simple
Was.
living, yes, simple living and high thinking. It will be was. Conveying means one thing. High thinking होगी तभी simple living होगी. Is it it?
Yes.
Otherwise, then जिनकी living thinking low होगी, वो means they believe in show off. वो तो show off पे विश्वास करेंगे ना. Next.
It is said that beauty and brains dash not go together. Does.
Yeah.
Doesn't.
नहीं, do not. यहाँ पे we are talking about two different things. Beauty and brain do not go together. दो चीजें हैं, दो चीजें एक साथ नहीं जा रही हैं. Suppose that I am keeping this Jio file. This is Jio file in my hand and this is mobile in my hand. They are not going together. So are there two different things?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? So when we talk of two different things, we use plural. Beauty and brain do not go together. वो एक साथ नहीं है. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि जो beautiful होगा वो brainy होगा और जो brainy होगा वो beautiful होगा. Okay? So here we are talking about two different things. Next.
Please explain again.
Beauty and brain do not go together. Means we are talking about two different things. When we talk of two different things, we use plural. कोई जरूरी नहीं ना है कि if someone is beautiful, the person will be brainy because he or she is beautiful. Understood? ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ?
Yes.
नेक्स्ट.
Dev and Anuj dash going to Goa this weekend.
जस्ट अ मिनट. हाँ सर, क्लास ले रहे हैं कुछ खास बात. अच्छा, ठीक.
R होगा.
हाँ, yes, R होगा. Because Dev and Anuj, two different, we are talking about two individuals. देव और अनुज तो हम लोग दो लोगों के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना. हाँ, नेक्स्ट. तो प्लूरल लगेगा. When we talk about two different individuals, we use plural. Next.
The singer and actor Sonu dash awarded the trophy.
Yeah,
Was.
was because The singer and the actor are both.
We are
It's
talking about
Sonu.
a singer.
Yeah, we are talking about one individual, and this one individual is Sonu.
Sonu.
Yes. Next.
The singer and the actor dash wearing similar jackets were.
Were.
Were. We are talking about two different people. Next.
Yes. The logic and reasoning of the theory is given below.
Is.
Is.
Is. Next. Next.
Milk and cereals are the best breakfast for kids.
Is the break.
Are.
Is the.
Is.
Hmm.
देखो अगर इसको इस
मैम
तरीके
आर
से
क्यों नहीं होगा?
because here
मैम आर क्यों नहीं होगा?
milk and cereal यहाँ पे ब्रेकफास्ट, अगर इसको इस ढंग से पहले सेंटेंस को चेंज करते हैं, ठीक है, द बेस्ट ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर किड्स इज मिल्क एंड cereal, है ना? अब यहाँ पे हम लोग आर यूज करेंगे,
No, ma'am.
कॉन्सेप्ट हुआ क्लियर? वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन आइडिया, दैट इज आइडिया ऑफ ब्रेकफास्ट.
Yes.
नेक्स्ट.
His honesty and integrity is unquestionable.
Is.
यस. नेक्स्ट.
मैम इज क्यों होगा?
इसलिए कि ऑनेस्टी के बिना इंटेग्रिटी नहीं आएगी, इंटेग्रिटी के बिना ऑनेस्टी नहीं आएगी. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वन सिंगल थिंग.
मीटिंग
किसी की आवाज
Watching
आ
TV
रही है.
and video games do not interest me.
हाँ, watching TV and playing video games
does not.
does
Ma'am
not
do not.
does not
Do.
Ma'am does not क्यों?
क्योंकि we are talking about digital media. Watching TV and playing video games. यहाँ पे we are talking about digital source of entertainment. Idea is one.
Question number 9 फिर से समझा दीजिए.
Watching TV and playing video games. तो ये यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या हम लोग किस टाइप का एंटरटेनमेंट की बात कर रहे हैं?
Watching and playing.
Hmm?
Watching and playing.
Watching and playing. Are we playing outdoor games? Are we talking about playing outdoor games? Are we
No, ma'am,
playing
indoor.
about indoor games की बात कर रहे हैं? Watching TV
Yes, ma'am.
मतलब क्या हुआ? Watching TV यहाँ पे we are talking about digital source of entertainment. ठीक है? यहाँ we are not talking. अगर यहाँ पे do not interest me, तो अगर यहाँ पे डिजिटल सोर्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं हुआ, वो टीवी में भी क्या देखते हैं? दैट इज ऑल्सो डिजिटल सोर्स ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट, इज इट? Means
Yes,
you
yes,
are
ma'am.
you are social.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
want to enjoy your time with friends. You want to play outdoor games. You are not interested in being involved in digital gadgets all the time. Electronic gadgets. We can say that electronic gadgets. Instead of electronic gadget, you want human. आई बात समझ में?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next.
Yes, ma'am.
You and she dash been selected for the extempore competition. Have.
Have.
हाँ, yes. Yes. हाँ. यहाँ तो कोई डाउट नहीं है. वर्कशीट नंबर 3. Whom I said, Kumar Ansu.
Yes, ma'am. Worksheet 3. Think the following. Number 1, neither of the two brothers was selected for the team. Second, should I fill the form in black or blue ink? Either of the two is acceptable. Number 3, I have seen all your paintings. Each one is fantastic. Number 4, everyone whom we invited has turned up. Number 5, only one of the 5 contestants is going to win the prize. Number 6, much of my homework is already done. Number 7, thanks to Metro Rail, less of my time is wasted in commuting now. Remember, words such as neither, either, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less, generally take singular verbs.
Okay. Neither of the two brothers was selected. Brothers तो plural है, but यहाँ पे देखो आइडिया क्या, neither of the two brothers, दोनों में से कोई सिलेक्ट नहीं हुआ. मींस यहाँ यहाँ पे when we talk about neither, either, each, everyone, only one of the, much of my homework, less of my work, less of my time. So neither, either, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less. They generally take. किसी ने वीडियो ऑन नहीं करके रखा है, is it? किसी का वीडियो ऑन है? Why you people? हाँ, one student, Kumar Anshu. What is the name? Anshu. Okay.
Yes.
अब आपका वीडियो ऑन होगा तो मैं आपको पिन करूंगा. और किसी ने वीडियो ऑन करके रखा है? गुड. चलो देखती हूँ ऐड पिन. और किसी ने वीडियो ऑन करके रखा है? आरोही, but you are not visible because I want to add pins. जिन लोगों ने वीडियो ऑन करके रखा है उनका मैं उनके वीडियो को मैं ऐड ये करके, एंड दिस इज नॉट गुड. अब कोशिश तो करनी चाहिए. हाँ, मुझे पता है कि आप लोगों को पूरे टाइम क्लास करना होता है. थोड़ा सा वीडियो ऑफ रखने से, एक वीडियो ऑफ रखने से सेव होता है आपका टाइम. आप सॉरी ये नेट आप डेटा सेव कर पाते हो. चलो फिर भी, लेकिन ऑन हो तो ज्यादा अच्छा है. मैं अभी तो फर्स्ट ही पीरियड है, बचा के, ठीक है बचा के रखना है, पर थोड़ी थोड़ी देर तो ऑन कर लो. ओके. सो क्लियर, दिस इज क्लियर. ये क्लियर हो गया कॉन्सेप्ट. Words such as neither, either, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less, generally take singular verb. Singular verb, clear? हाँ, next किसका टर्न था आफ्टर अंशु?
मैम अंकित कुमार.
अंकित. ओके, स्टार्ट. अंकित. If Ankit is not able to do, next one is Ankita.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, connectivity problem occurred. That's why. Okay. I will have to add pins once again. New gallery view. Who was ready?
Ma'am, Ankit Raj turn.
Ankit Raj. I start. Ankit, start. If Ankit is not starting, anyone may continue.
Ma'am, can I?
I start.
Ma'am.
Start.
Ma'am, Arohi.
Yes, Aruhi, start.
Now look at the following. None of the work was completed. Work amount was singular verb. None of the strategies have worked. Strategies number have plural verb. A lot of energy was wasted on finding the treasure.
Arohi, where is the video? You have not switched on your video.
She switched on.
Okay, she
Ma'am,
has.
on है.
अच्छा, चलो. Start.
A lot of energy was wasted on finding the treasure. A lot of books have been written on the home remedies. A variety of music is available here. A variety of music albums are available here.
Good.
Plenty of help has been offered to the poor people. Help, quantity, amount has singular verb. Plenty of trees were uprooted in the storm last night. Trees number were plural verb. Remember, some words can refer to amount, quantity as well as number. When these words refer to amount, quantity, they take a single verb. When these words refer to number, they take a plural verb. None, a lot of, a great deal of, plenty of, most of, etc. are some such words.
Good. So here, first we read that neither, either, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less generally takes singular verb. Now, another thing is there. Some words can refer to amount and quantity as well as number. मीन्स कुछ वर्ड्स ऐसे होता है जिसको हम लोग अमाउंट क्वांटिटी में भी यूज कर सकते हैं और उसको नंबर में भी यूज कर सकते हैं. तो वैसे वर्ड्स में जब द वर्ड्स when they will refer to amount and quantity, they will take a singular verb. But when they would refer to number, they would take plural verb. Okay? जब अमाउंट एंड क्वांटिटी होगा तो सिंगुलर वर्ब होगा और जब नंबर होगा तो प्लूरल वर्ब होगा. क्लियर? These words are none, a lot of, a great deal of, plenty of, most of are some example of such type of words.
मैम का नेटवर्क का दिक्कत आता है.
नेटवर्क का दिक्कत आ रहा है मेरे साइड से. आई डोंट थिंक earlier it was from my side.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is repeating.
My voice is repeating, so someone might have switched on.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, please explain once again.
Which one? Okay. Some words can refer to amount and quantity as well as number. When these words refer to amount and quantity, they take singular verb. जब amount and quantity की बात होगी तो singular verb use होगा. Okay. So when we talk about amount and quantity, we use singular verb. When we talk about number, we use plural verb. Such type of words are there that they can be used in both. They can be used in amount, quantity, and in number. So these type of words are some examples I am taking. None, a lot of, a great deal of, plenty of, most of. Understood? Concept clear हुआ?
नंबर के साथ हमेशा प्लूरल वर्ब ही रहेगा।
नंबर अगर हाँ नंबर में अगर 1 है तो प्लूरल नहीं होगा, 1 इज ऑलरेडी सिंगुलर, बट एक से ज्यादा हो गया तो वो प्लूरल होगा। यहाँ देखो, a variety of music album is a variety of music is available, so we can't count music को काउंट कर सकते हैं हम लोग, but we
No,
can
ma'am.
count music albums. Music albums are countable.
Yes, ma'am.
So a variety of music album is available here. A variety of music albums are available here. Plenty of help has been offered to the poor family. Plenty of trees were uprooted in the storm last night. Understood the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Concept clear? May we switch over to worksheet number 3C?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will read?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will read? Whose turn? Be fast. We are running shortage of time.
Ma'am, should I continue?
Ayush Ratan. Okay, if no
Yes.
one claims to read, then you can continue.
May I read on Kumar Ansu?
Kumar Ansu reading
Ma'am, can
done.
I read?
सातवें 1 मिनट, सात्विक, आयुष रतन, कुमार अंशु, आप तीनों की रीडिंग हो चुकी है। तो अगर रिपीट ही करनी है तो आयुष रतन, नो, हियर सम स्टूडेंट इज कुमारी सृष्टि।
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us give her chance. Okay, start.
C. Fill in the blanks with correct words. First, have you seen the sculpture made by him? Each one dash a masterpiece.
Is.
What will be there?
Each one is.
Is, yes. Each one is.
This one is.
Yes. Next.
Neither of the two teams dash able to score a goal.
Was.
Yes, yes, very good, very good, very good, very good. No, was. अभी तो हम लोगों ने रिवीजन किया था ना, neither, either, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less. They generally take plural verb. Sorry, singular verb, not plural.
Yes, ma'am.
Neither, either, each, everyone, one of the, much, little, less. Generally take singular verb. तो यहाँ पे neither है ना, neither of the two teams. और अगर इसका एग्जाम्पल हम लोग इधर देखें, neither of the two brothers was selected for the team. So here it is, neither of the two teams was able to score a goal. Next.
Much of the hard work of the farmers dash been
Has.
wasted.
Yes.
Has.
Has. Much of the hard work. Can we count hard work? Hard work we count. Has. Yes. Next.
A great deal of literature on the art of cooking dash
Is.
available in the
Is. Very good. Very good. Is. A great deal of literature. अगर a great deal, चलो इसके आगे हम लोग ये करेंगे, if the many books on the art of cooking, तो books के साथ आर हो जाता, but here it is literature. हाँ, background noise, Arohi from your side. हाँ, okay, continue.
a lot of appreciation dash showered on
Yes. Good, very good. Next.
a lot of people dash allergic to diary.
Yes, R. Yes, it will be R. हाँ, yes. Next.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का was होगा।
A lot of appreciation was, yes. अप्रिसिएशन को हम लोग काउंट नहीं कर सकते. We can't count appreciation. We can count people, a lot of people. ठीक है, people जितने भी थे वो काउंटेबल है. पूरे वर्ल्ड का पॉपुलेशन भी काउंटेबल है. ओके, नेक्स्ट.
Very little dash known for the Harappan.
Is
Yes,
very
yes,
little.
yes. हाँ, next.
None of the residents dash is the house when
Were. Yes. Good.
less of the paper dash consumed stays because of the
Are.
Is. हाँ, is. Yes.
everyone in the society dash now joined hands again.
मैम हैज
Good.
मैम हैज
हाँ, has होगा. Everyone है ना. Everyone के साथ has होगा. Yes. Next. हाँ, has होगा. Next. Worksheet number 4. Start.
मैम सात्विक कौन है मैम सात्विक सात्विक
चलो सात्विक. आरोही. हाँ, आरोही की रीडिंग नहीं हुई है. लेट हर. नहीं, आरोही की
मैम हो
रीडिंग.
गई है मैम आरोही की रीडिंग हो गई है
मैम कुमार अंशु
मैम सात्विक
और कोई भी स्टूडेंट. तिलक उपाध्याय. स्टार्ट रीडिंग.
Yes, ma'am. Wait a minute. Read the following. The engineer, as well as his two subordinates, was present at the site.
Good. Next.
Ma'am, wait. Anshu, as well as the other members of her family, is shifting to Mumbai.
Good. Next.
I, as well as Swati, am coming for a picnic. The doctor with his interns has reached the operation theater.
Good.
The child with his parents is waiting